In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bubble answer sheet in Microsoft Word. This simple technique is perfect for teachers, instructors, and exam creators who need a clean, organized way to collect multiple choice responses. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking answer sheet that's easy to print or share digitally. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. It doesn't matter whether you're using a newer version or an older release, because the overall process is very similar. Once Word is open, create a new blank document or open an existing document where you'd like to insert the answer sheet. Starting with a clean page will make formatting much easier and help keep everything aligned properly. Next, we'll insert a table, since tables provide the structure we need to keep questions and answer choices neatly arranged. Go to the Insert tab and choose the Table option. For this example, create a table with 5 columns and 10 rows. This layout gives you enough space to separate question numbers from their answer options in a clear and organized way. Now, move to the first column of the table. This column will hold your question numbers. Type in the numbers in order, one per row, so each row represents a different question. This numbering system ensures that each set of bubble answers clearly corresponds to a specific question. Once the numbering is in place, it's time to create the bubble-style answer choices. Click into the second column and change the font to an OMR-style font that displays letters inside circles. After selecting that font, type the letters A, B, C, and D across the row. You'll notice that each letter automatically appears inside a bubble, creating the familiar multiple-choice format. Repeat this process for the remaining rows so every question has the same set of bubbled answer options. If you need more questions or more answer choices, simply add additional rows or columns as required. After setting up all the bubbles, you may see visible borders around the table. While borders can be helpful during editing, they're usually unnecessary on a finished answer sheet. To remove them, select the entire table, go to the Table Design tab, click on the Borders option, and choose No Border. This will keep the bubbles visible while removing the grid lines, giving your sheet a clean and professional appearance. Your bubble answer sheet is now ready. You can adjust spacing, resize columns, or modify the layout to fit different exams or formats. Whether you're printing it for classroom use or sharing it digitally, this method makes collecting responses simple and organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.